Blite Nation.
And Vito and Liz coming back at you with another Snow the Product reaction finally.
Avioncito. I'm not.
Is that a spider?
No, that's not a spider.
It looks like
It
it.
got wings on it.
Oh.
You don't see them wings? Is that a spider? I don't know. Kill it. Let's take it, shoot it. Do you want me to stomp on it?
Yeah, go ahead.
There you go. It's dead.
Head dead.
It's dead now.
I thought it was I'm
Liz
sorry.
over here having
I'm
midlife crisis and
sorry.
shit.
I thought it was a spider.
Just remember.
No spiders on me, okay?
You might want to clean that up later.
Yeah,
It's like they don't.
Oh, no shit, mister.
It's like, when's the last time you seen a spider fly? Bitches better have wings.
Unless they evolving and we don't know nothing about it.
Goddamn, the winged spider. Can you imagine that?
Oh, that's
Give
horrifying.
those fucking 8-legged freaks wings.
Dude.
God
Yeah.
damn.
You ain't never killing one again.
Uh-huh.
But sorry guys, we got a little distracted.
You only used to be the apex predator. Jesus Christ.
Jeez, it's a new world now.
Flying spiders. God damn.
So what we know of is this is mostly in Spanish, but we really enjoy Snow the Product.
So we gonna vibe with
We
this?
might be vibing to this
We're gonna
unless Liz can start popping off
Like
translation.
I said, I know the basics of the basics in Spanish. Slang is kind of hard for me to understand. I was trying to read it. I just didn't.
Avioncito.
Avioncito, like a little airplane, small airplane.
Okay. We tried to get
that's
some
what- that's
subtitles
what-
on this, and it don't seem to be working.
So
But I just like hearing Snow rap.
But we know she's.
We know she barring.
We know there's some music playing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, YouTube. But yeah. So here we go. Snow the Product. Avioncito.
And hit that play button. Let's get this rolling.
At least we know it's music.
Que tanto me llamas, que tanto me llamas.
Okay.
Que soy lo peor, dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor.
I was right.
Okay.
Que tanto
Yeah.
ahora que tanto me llamas, que tanto me llamas. Y soy lo peor, dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si me va mejor. Tanto tiempo que dijiste que todo era tan difícil, que tus amistades dicen que mi nombre andaba en chismes, que tu familia te exige que ya te comprara el ticket pa' irte pa' donde viniste.
You know what's fucked up though? I don't trust this.
Just-
I trust when Subtle Savage Guy
Yeah.
and those guys do it. I trust them more than I trust this.
I'll let you
Oh,
know.
yeah.
I'll let you know
All right.
if something's off.
Que te cansas de decirme que mi estilito de vida ya no te parece. Y me dijiste adiós. Que te enfadaste de no ser la prioridad. Yo trabajando pa' sacar para los dos. A mí me criaron que a la nena lo que quiera. Yo le di todo mi amor. Compré casa, compré carro, compré perro. Y al final el pinche perro me dejó. Que tanto me llamas, que tanto me llamas. Y soy lo
I think. Okay, so I'm reading it a little bit. I'm reading it some, and I think what she was just saying is like you can buy somebody so much shit, you can't make a person love you.
Like I
Yes.
bought the car. What's it?
Bought
She
the
said,
dog,
the dog, the car,
bought a
everything,
house,
and you left me.
and it still wasn't good enough.
Yeah.
You cannot make somebody love you.
No.
It doesn't matter how much shit you buy them. If they don't love you, they don't love you.
Exactly.
peor. Dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor. Que tan ahora que tanto me llamas, que tanto me llamas. Y soy lo peor. Dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si me va mejor. Quiero un tequila más o ronda de mezcal. Traigan la banda ya, que hoy sí quiero cantar. Tóquenme todas las dientes, fue que son Chalino Sánchez, de Chente hasta Pedro Infante, de Jenny a Pedro Fernández. En la tambora, viejas que me hagan porra, cuando me dejen sola. Yo que planeaba boda, todos se fue a la bola. Tráigame una corona. Toquen banda Jerez por esa cabrona. Mira que tanto me llamas, que tanto me llamas. Si soy lo peor, dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor. Que tanto me llamas, que tanto me llamas. Si soy lo peor, dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si me va mejor. A mí me crearon que a la nena lo que quiera, yo le di todo mi amor, yo le di todo mi amor. Compré casa, compré carro, compré perro y al final el pinche perro me dejó.
Damn.
Can't buy happiness.
You can't buy happiness, bro. It's either you have to. Oh. Oh, like the making of it. Okay. That's cool. She put a little end like that. That's cool.
She always puts a little creative stuff like that.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh no.
Show a little bit of the process.
No. This is no. Skip. That's not what we want.
You know that her and the girlfriend she had, they're not together anymore.
Yeah, they broke up. I think that's why this song was written.
Oh.
No, that was, well, I don't know. This could be recent shit, but
This was a day ago.
that's what I'm saying. They could be
Oh,
something.
she broke up.
No, that was like, was it last year or earlier this
I
year?
know. She probably wrote this because of that. Just because this came out a day ago doesn't mean she just wrote
We
it.
don't know exactly.
Damn, that's sad that they broke up.
She could have been, you know, talking to somebody else and something happened and
Damn, man.
I don't know. We don't know.
Love can hurt, bro.
Oh yeah,
That shit can hurt.
of course it's painful.
But I like the visual. You could hear the sadness in it though. There was definitely some sadness in that. Like I said, you can't make a person love you, man.
No, you can't.
You can't. It's
One
somebody
thing
either
you can't
loves
do.
you or they don't. But yeah, guys, we tried to use the YouTube translator. I don't trust that one. We tried to use the YouTube
So
translator
far, like
before.
95% was what she was saying.
Okay.
The was she? I think it was like twice that she like kind of like she was like swearing, but I couldn't like
Okay.
find the translation in
Good.
freaking English.
Gotcha.
Scary.
So as you can see, we mostly had the vibe to this one. I am not fluent in Spanish. I don't think Vito's fluent in Spanish.
No,
Liz knows the basic of the basic, as she's
Basically the basics.
But guys, I hope you just enjoyed vibing with us. We just like to know the product, so thought we'd give a reaction.
Yeah.
But hope y'all enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, blow us up. Y'all know what to do.
Thanks for stopping and spending time with us today. Hit that notification bell, give a share because it does help the channel out.
Please and thank you.
See you in the next one.
Ready up.
Peace.